In this video, I will explain you one of the feature within Microsoft Edge browser named as drop. Now, in order to access that drop feature, what you need to do is like click on this three dots settings over here, go to more tools, and then you get an option to select drop. Okay. Now, what is this drop? Now, the drop feature basically allows you to store the record or information in a specific container so that you can access that information from anywhere. So, take for example, if you're using your PC to perform some operation, if you have done some research and if you have gathered some information like some text or some image or some hyperlink, and if you want to use that hyperlink across multiple devices or multiple form factor, I mean to say phone, tablets, desktop, PC, or any other system which you use, you can use this drop feature to access this information. So just to show you how is, say take for example, if you're browsing a web in your desktop and now you want to get that link in your mobile device. So it's simple. What you need to do is like you just need to click on drop, and then you can start sharing the information. So you can basically send files and notes across all your mobile and PC devices. The only one caveat is that you just need to be logged in. Okay, so here I'm logged in using this account, and it makes use of OneDrive to store this information. So I'll show you how you can do that. So the prerequisite is you need to have a Edge browser, and you need to have a valid Office 365 account which has OneDrive configured. Now, in order to do that, what you need to do, you just click on Start. Okay, and now here you can drag photos, files, links, videos, and more. Okay, let's take a scenario whereby I'm just finalizing on purchase of a mobile phone. So let me go into say search. Okay, so I'll say mobile phone 2025 best. So if I'm searching, if I'm doing some research, I will get some links of various websites. Okay, and I'll see that, oh, okay, the best phones to buy in 2025. I'll just click on say one of the random link. Okay, and I'll get some information. Okay, so now I don't want to lose this information, so what I'm gonna do, I'll just copy this text. Okay, so I'll just copy this text, and I'll just write a note to myself that okay, this is the information I need, and then once I switch to my phone, I need this information. Okay, so this is the information I captured. So this is a note to myself. So if I get some information about say iPhone 16 Pro Max, okay, just an example. Okay, I'm not promoting any product, but then this is just for like an example. So I'll just paste this value. Okay, so this I've just copied the note. So you can share notes across various devices. Now, while browsing, I found some information. So let me go back, and maybe I like this image. Okay. Then what I will do, I will just take a screenshot. So here, as you see, screenshot. So I'll just click on screenshot, and then I will pick up this image. Okay. And I can do some markup. If okay, I'll just click on tick mark, and then this will give you this interface. I'll just click on send, and then this information will come over here. Now, if you click on plus, you can also select items from your PC. So if I click on plus, I have some various images over here. So this is just like not related to any logic, but I will just select the random image. So I can pick up an image, a file, or a photo in from here, from my PC. So so three couple of things I've done. I have copied the text, I have taken a screenshot, I have added an image from my desktop. Okay, now if I go into say any of the websites, so let me go back to that same website. Now here I can also perform various other operations. So if I click on more options over here, I can see that there are some settings. uh, just by scanning this QR code, I can open the same link in my mobile phone, provided I'm logged into that specific account. Okay, now I'll just close this. Now let me go back over here. Let's do a right click. Okay, Now here, when I do a right click, I have an option to take a screenshot as well. So I can even take a screenshot from here and then send across to uh, the drop, or again going back to three dots, more tools, and then go to drop. Now here you get that same context. Now you can sync the value. Now all this information gets, as I mentioned to you, that it stores in OneDrive. Now let's see where this information got stored. Let me go to the new tab, and now I have already have Office 365 configured. So I have OneDrive configured. Now within OneDrive, if you navigate to My Files, here you will see a folder named as Microsoft Edge drop file. So anything you do over here, you will see this information. Now if you want to see the preview, let me show you the list by tiles, and you will see this information. So any image or any resources which you have copied will get loaded over here. Now see what happens if I remove this item from here. So let me delete this. It will be correspondingly deleted from your OneDrive. Okay, so this will be removed after a period of time. So next time when you come over here and you see this Microsoft Edge drop file, this will go away. Okay, it might take some time, but if I go here again, that is gone. Okay, so this is a common place through which you can share the information. Now if you want to access the same information what you copied over here, you just need to copy, scan this QR code, open the Edge mobile app within your PC, and then you will get this corresponding text or image or any information which you have copied. So the whole goal of this exercise was to show you the drop feature. Now the use case would be if you want to, if you're doing some research on your desktop or PC or tablet, and if you want to view the same information in say mobile phone, then you can make use of drop files. So it is as good as you're dropping the file in some location and then you're accessing it from multiple devices. Now you can even access a different device, like you can even access an Apple device, but then if you're using an Edge browser which has the drop feature, you can use this functionality as well. So that's it folks, this is how you basically use drop feature within Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.